Guys, good morning! Kagagaling ko lang ng night shift. Only had 3 hours of sleep and now we are ready kasi pupunta na dito sila ate! Hindi ko yan na-chika sa inyo but nag-book sila dito for 3 days. So excited to see the kids! Ano pa to guys, tawag dito. Akala ko pa hindi siya mangyayari kasi kahapon nag-contraction si ate. Sabi ko, ano ba to? Baka manganak na siya. Pero buti na lang. False lang pala yun. Braxton Hicks lang pala siya. So, mauuna kami mag-check-in sa kanyang room kasi ilalagay namin yung mga pagkain. Mga ready na food para mag-lunch na tayo diretso pagdating nila. So, ayun guys. And the cleaner is gonna be here very soon din. So, kailangan ko na din mag-ready. Layo na biyahe nila ate. 4 hours and 30 minutes coming here. Wawa naman itong aking perfect diary na pangkilay. Actually, pumunta na dito yung cleaner, tapos natutulog kasi ako. Sinabihan ni Michelle, balik na lang kayo later. Kaganahan mag-unboxing sa.
Dito na, pag-mountain pa sa cleaner dali.
Dito nga sila speakers. Guys, so yung gagawin natin is tayo yung mag-check-in kina ate. Yung key kasi nila, nakastore lang siya sa isang lockbox. So, i-open natin doon nga para malagay na natin yung mga food. Let's go, Michelle. It's a good day. It's a very nice day outside. Good morning! Uy, kabasa ka sa email ni ate. Fruit prohibited.
Kabaw po, kita po.
Anyway, tinatry na may open yung key dun sa safe box. Kaso lang, hindi siya ma-open guys kasi sobrang early pa. Check-in kasi 2. Tapos, alas 12 pa ngayon. Pero hopefully, yung mga cleaner napunta na sa aming kwarto para okay na yun. Ano yan? Tinawagan ko sila. So, in 5 minutes, pupuntahan ko daw sa reception yung key. So, pwede naman pala mag-check-in na early.
Ano namin pinatakan?
Wala pa yung naglibis sa room. Wala pang girl. Nah, we can't really see it actually, no? Over there.
304?
Yeah.
Natin sa natin. Okay.
Hola! How's it going? Ooh! That's good. Wow, malaki doy. Nice. Very nice. Guys, i-tour muna natin ating sarili. Punta tayo sa taas. Tapos dito, ayan. 2 rooms. Ay, very cute naman dito, oh. Ito yung malaki toilet. Okay. Tingnan nyo. Guys, nagparan lang kami ng ng dishwasher sa lahat ng mga plato, baso, at saka mga cutleries. Pinaran na namin. I-rinse natin before we use it kasi hindi natin alam kung ilang months na yun hindi nagagamit. Yay! We have pork belly or kawali tawag dyan. And then we have salmon there. Dito tayo magla-lunch. Welcome to Mildura, everyone. So dirty. We're so dirty.
He's so dirty. Someone went to bed about 5 o'clock in the evening.
Oh no!
It was Mummy.
Was it Mommy? Who went to bed? Water, bro?
T-Rex! Look so cute! Here's the food.
Yeah, nice ang view dito sa gawas.
Yeah. Nakanaog sa Arlo, lipay kitchen.
Let's eat. Muna mo pagaw ni Inday Ayla. Yung shagit.
It's really good.
Yeah?
I burned it a bit.
That's good.
I like this brand.
Salmon.
So, gi-open na ni mo, Inday? Ikaw na, Juday.
Nagsabu ka na ako unalan.
Hi, boy!
Hello.
Ayla, salmon.
Say hi, Tita Rich. Hi, Tita Michelle.
Boy!
Hi, boy!
We're going home in 10 minutes, so get ready.
Come find Auntie.
So where's the pool?
No. By our accommodation, like
Okay.
same building.
Right side.
Kato gahapon na yung teksa naman niya yung takbay. Pang ready na mo dara kay basta mga anak na nila. Ready sa taon sila. Ciao, ready na mi. So what did he tell Ants? You just told her that I was contracting?
I don't have to do anything. I'm really.
Yeah, but you get more nervous than I am.
Where's your hair tie? You're a big girl.
But the cars, sometimes they don't see you.
Tingnan nyo yung mga dalawang bata.
Indy. Is it for Indy or for you? Manana. You like that one? Okay. Later, we'll pay for it first.
What flavor? Blueberry? Apples, blueberry, and strawberry.
Chi, tanawa ka lang sa Chi. We'll buy one for Indy when she comes out. Si tanawa yung pag-umangkon. Nung sinakitan siya yung pag-umangkon. It's baby food. That one you like? Okay. You want to try? Okay, we'll pay for it first. Wait.
Here.
Dinosaur. Go home. Let's go home. We got a swimming nappy. Yeah, it's hot. Huwag dami, anak mong luluboy good. Luboy, huwag dami na to, anak good. Do you want to see the pool? Yes. Shoes. Oh, yeah. Wow! Ayaw lang sa pasudla. It's still closed. We'll come back later. We'll come back and swim later. Yeah. Oh, you can play here. Sige. Yay! Nauna nag-tour yung mga bata. Yung kanilang parents andun pa sa room. Tropical vibe.
Tropical vibes in the middle of winter, boy.
At least okay na kayo, diba? Going out for a swim. Look. Holiday open. Yay! We're gonna go swimming! Oh, well done! Aso, tugnaw? But she loves it. Look at Ayla. Snacking ang mga kids. Oh, si Ayla naka-bread. Pero tapos na ito mag-stick O. Tapos si Arlo naman inuubos yung aking paboritong pinisi. Kahit na matigas, okay na okay sa kanya. Oh. Pinoy boy ka talaga, boy. Kinuha pa yung isang pack talaga. Oh.
Taking a ride to Jonathan 눈치 보면서 들어가 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천천히 들어가야 해 어쩔 때에는 무작정 들이밀기만 하지만 그런 거랑 차이가 있어 baby.
Guys, we're on the move. Hala, green man tayo. We're gonna have dinner.
Where's the T-Rex?
Nandito na kami sa Bandi, guys. Kain tayo. Tayong in-order ko this time. Yes. Time pa kami sa other orders. Pero in fairness lang talaga dito, mabilis lang sila. Tapos ang sarap-sarap nito. Oh, may soup. Behave yung kids, oh.
Not yet. They will serve more food and they might have more flowers for us.
So this one is really done. Here.
Looks good, Ayla.
Alas.
Here.
Ayla, look at the chick.
Look.
Wow.
You don't want the steak? It's Arlo's.
Thank you. I have a flower too.
Sarap ito, ah.
Chips. Oh my gosh, hot. Really hot. Low maintenance, really hot.
Rare beef.
Very hot. This way? Hot, hot.
Ayla.
Ang sarap ng order ni Michelle. Look at that. Ang sarap. Tapos yung sa kids. Kain na tayo, guys. Gutom na ako.
Try the dumpling then. Dumpling, it's good. Yeah.
You guys ate as much.
No, it's alright.
I'm pretty full.
I didn't even realize it was this big.
Big serving, no? Baka gamay. Wow. Happy ribs. No, they're so good, I guess.
spring roll.
Dalawang chicken, tapos chips. Ang dami. I have really good. You wanna try the soup? Yeah, if you wanna try the soup.
They give you the sauce, the brown sauce.
Or do you usually mix it here?
Yeah, with the soup.
Others just dip it, but
Sometimes they have chili. Do they have chili?
Lemon. Yeah, lemon.
Yeah.
have some of the pork then. It's good.
Dapat ma-half natin ito at least.
Ayla, this is really good.
Ayla, this one's not hot anymore.
Punta kami dito sa Asian store, guys. Before kami na-uwi, nadaanan namin to. 9 PM pa sila magko-close. Ano sa mana? Sa Tanghon? Vietnamese Isle siguro ni? Could be. Asa na sila? Lakad-lakad. First time namin maglakad dito sa ano guys, sa Mildura. Tapos na, yun nga, nakita namin na may Asian store pala na walking distance lang. Wala kaming kaalam-alam talaga. Yeah. Good mood, may mga bagong toys. Good night! Good night! I can see you, Bam! Hoy! Guys, andito na kami sa accommodation. Gabi, sobrang haba ng chikahan namin doon.
Dito kami sa accommodation, a few steps away from there.
Oo, sobrang lapit lang talaga ng aming room sa kanilang room. But yeah, tawag dito, tomorrow is gonna be another day, guys. We are gonna go farmers market ba yun, Day? Yeah, farmers market bukas. So, kaya tulog na talaga kami ngayon. The time now is, ano na, midnight na, no?
It is 5 to midnight.
Oh, see? Sobrang late na. Nagchichika-chika lang talaga kami doon. Tapos nag-watch kami ng Love is Blind UK. Pero, parang ano lang siya, background lang siya kumbaga kasi grabe yung chikahan. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog masyado. We're just gonna continue this vlog kasi I'm super sleepy. Again, galing ako night shift. Tapos ilang oras lang yung tulog natin. Tapos dumating agad sila ate. So, kailangan nating mag-keep up sa ating sleep. Bye!